This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Facebook and navigating straight to Security and Login. This shortcut avoids hunting through menus. Once on that page, tap Two-Factor Authentication to see active methods and the option for recovery codes. Make sure you use the same device where you can receive texts or use an Authenticator app, because Facebook shows available code options based on your registered methods. If you plan to use an Authenticator, have it ready to scan or enter the setup key. You now decide which method to use: Authenticator app, SMS, or existing recovery codes. Each generates a time-based 6-digit code. Once you pick Authenticator, open your app and copy the current code. Codes refresh every 30 seconds, so act quickly. If you pick SMS, check the message thread on the registered phone and request a new message if none arrived. If you previously saved recovery codes, pull those up and use one. They are one-time use, so mark which one you used. You finish by entering the 6-digit code into Facebook and confirming. Once accepted, your session completes and 2FA is satisfied. Make sure to save any new recovery codes provided and update your phone number or Authenticator app afterward, because future access depends on them. If codes fail or you lose access to your phone, use Facebook's identity verification flow or contact trusted contacts to regain your account. Follow prompts carefully, because these processes verify who you are and can take additional time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.